Hey, Rafal.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good, good. Can you teach me how to use this awesome adaptive cruise control in the 2023 VW Taos?
Absolutely. So, it's an awesome feature, especially on longer road trips. And what you do is when you get to your desired speed, you turn on the adaptive cruise control with this button right here in the top corner. Once that happens, once you get to your set speed, you click the set button, and you can also adjust the distance between you and the next car in front of you. So with this middle button, you can adjust on the screen. It tells you how far away the next car is going to be, which is sort of nice. I like to keep a longer distance myself. So like I said, it's a great feature. Makes you still engaged, but makes it more fuel efficient, let's say. And yeah, it's just a great feature on modern cars nowadays. So if you have any other questions about any of the features, you can visit us with the link below.